In today's video, I will show you how to copy a survey in Qualtrics. First, open your browser, go to the official site of Qualtrics, and make sure you are logged in. Once you are on the home page, find the project you want to copy. Copying a survey is a massive time saver when you want to run a new wave of research or test a variation of an existing questionnaire without losing your original template. Once you find the survey you want, click the three dots beside it and then select Copy Project from the drop-down menu. A new window will pop up to help you configure the copy. Click the drop-down under Copy To and select where you want to copy it, whether that is into a specific folder or a different workspace directory. Then, edit the project name if you want to keep your files organized, and click on Copy Project at the bottom. The system will process the duplication, and you will see it appear right on your dashboard, ready for you to edit. And that's it. That's how you copy a survey in Qualtrics.